Did you know that Nazi officers once complained that another group was too cruel? In World War II Croatia, a fascist movement called the Ustaše ran death camps so brutal that even German Nazis were horrified. At Jasenovac camp, guards used special knives called Serb cutters to slash prisoners' throats. They did this to save money on bullets. The guards turned murder into a sick game. They held contests to see who could kill the most people in one night. A guard named Petar Brzica won by murdering 1,360 people. Children were thrown alive into burning furnaces. Prisoners had to sing Croatian songs right before they died. The camp's leader, Ante Pavelic, kept a basket of human eyes on his desk. These were trophies from people he had killed. German Wehrmacht officers visited the camps and wrote reports back to Berlin. They said these places were worse than anything they had ever seen. The Ustaše killed around 500,000 Serbs, Jews, and Roma people using methods so savage that it shocked the world.